All right, so here we have a Kohler. It looks like a 3000 series 6.5 horsepower motor. Here looks like the box. Yeah, there's the box. So my wife's grandfather must have purchased this for something. I don't know what. It's brand new. I assume it's brand new. It's got gas in it. It's pretty dirty. I'm gonna pull it into the barn, see if we can get it running. I might stuff it into that gator I just bought. Hey everybody, welcome back. So in this video, I shot the intro a couple weeks ago. I'm just getting around to messing with this Kohler 3000 series. This was left on the side of the barn by my wife's grandfather. For whatever reason, he purchased it. It looks like it was brand new. It was still in the box, but when I picked it up to move it, it looks like there's fuel or something in it. Let's see if I can get this. Cap doesn't want to come off now. There we go. Oh yeah, she smells like old fuel. Great. And I know he just ran ethanol fuel, so that should be fun. Let's check out this air filter. See what that looks like. There's obviously, it's been getting rained on and snowed on for who knows how long. Oh. It's a little dirty, surprisingly. I don't know if that's from sitting outside. I don't know if you can see all the grass and stuff in there. I don't know what he purchased this for. I'm assuming he bought it new, but it doesn't look like it's ever really been used. It's just really filthy. Let's see, Kohler. See if there's a date on here. Sometimes the emission stickers will say emissions. Oh wait, oh, 2015. It's 10 years old. Shaft's pretty rusty. You never really see people put these on mini bikes, and I don't know why. Well, that's free. Choke's free. Gas off and on's free. But I was thinking, I mean, nobody's doing anything with this. If I can get it running, I might build a mini bike. Kind of want to build like a chopper style, you know, with a Springer front end and stuff. That'd be kind of cool. So I'll go ahead and put you up on the tripod. We'll check the oil, see if it'll pull over, run on this old gas. I don't even know if it's locked up or not. And I don't know why he purchased it. Let's check the oil on this, see if there's even any oil on it, or if it's full of water. Oh, there's oil in there. Looks like it's way overfilled. It's brand new oil. Let me see. I might drain a little bit of out. It's way overfull. Wonder if you put like just a quart in it or something. This side. I looked these up. They're actually kind of expensive motors compared to like a Predator Harbor Freight motor. Yeah. It's way too full. I'm gonna drain a little bit of it out. You can blow all your seals out in your motor if you run too much oil in them. It's really not good for them. That oil's like brand new though. Now I don't know if this is the type that you have to screw in all the way. I'm assuming not. Most of these you just put them down right here. I think these are a clone of the Honda motor from what I was reading online, but I don't know if that's true or not. Let me get a rag to wipe that dipstick off with. All right, there we go. That's in the middle. I'm gonna run it like this. I don't even know if it's gonna start or if we're gonna have to go through the carburetor. I'm gonna try to attempt to start it on this old fuel. See if it'll run. Shaft's pretty rusty. There's a lot of play in that. Huh. All right, it's all dirty. So chokes this way. Put it in turtle mode. I think gas is on that way, so the gas was left on. Kill switch on. I'm gonna get everything off this table so it doesn't vibrate off. Oh, it sounded like it wanted to. Man, I can smell the old gas. No choke. Maybe a little throttle. That fired. Gas is on. See if it'll go off some starting fluid. I'm sure the carburetor's all gummed up. There we go. Man, it smells like old gas. Well, it runs. Looks like we're gonna have to pull the carb off and clean it. How do you get this guy off? I want to see if it'll just run off this old gas. Half choke. It's firing, but put a little more start juice. Yeah, we're gonna clean this carburetor. All right, we'll pull this airbox cover off. Wonder if I can just pull the bowl off. The whole thing just slides out now that this is loose. There we go. Man, this thing's filthy. It's got oil right there. It's like the easiest carburetor ever to take off. Take this fuel line off. Leave that kink so it doesn't leak. Just pulling that off. You can see in there it's all gummed up. Probably gonna have to put this in my little chum bucket thing to clean it up. Try to save this gasket if I can. I don't think so. Let's go ahead and pull this bowl off. See how bad it is. Oh my goodness. Don't run ethanol fuel in your toys or anything. That smells putrid. Yeah, we're gonna take this all apart and clean it. There's no saving this. See if I can save this gasket though, because I don't have one. Well, it's ripped, but I think I can make it work. Phew, that smells horrible. Oh, man. See if we can pull this jet out. Yeah, that doesn't even want to come out. And I don't want to strip it. So I think I'm going to soak the whole thing. I'll show you what I have to soak it in. Got this Berryman's Chim Dip. This stuff works pretty well. I'm going to try one more time to get this jet out of there. And look at this bowl. I'm gonna spray these out before I put them in there with just some carburetor cleaner. And we'll let this soak for probably 20 minutes or so. Should come out looking new. All right, so I went ahead and let this sit in this chemical for a little bit, 45 minutes or so. See how it looks when we pull it out of here. I went and drained all the old gas I could get out of the gas tank in there. There's still a little bit in there. Set this on. Not expecting much, to be honest with you, but you never know. Yeah, she's still pretty gummed up looking. This back in there and shut this up, and we'll spray it out with carb clean, put the carb back on there, and see if she'll actually run now. All right, so I got it all back together. I'm gonna have to run up to the store and get some gas. I'm completely out of gas and I don't want to put ethanol fuel back in this, so stay tuned. There will be a part 2.